welcome back to my channel. My name is Ijoma Nebe. Today's video is sponsored by Yolissahair. Guys, this is a brown wig with blonde highlights, 24 inches 13 by 4 frontal wig, as you can see. Guys, this hair is 180% density and this hair is so lovely. Guys, I love this hair so much and I want to say thank you so much to Yolissahair for sending this beautiful wig to me. Like, this hair is like premium hair. It's not for anyhow person. If you know you're a premium lady, then you need to get this hair. This color na follow como. This color that you are seeing like this, it's follow como. Guys, what I mean is this wig came like this. I didn't do anything. I didn't do nothing on this hair. The coloring, the tinting, or anything, any toning self, I did not touch any single color on this hair. This hair came like this and I love every shade of this hair. Yolissahair did everything themselves. Speaking of my lace, I did not even pluck any single thing. It came pre-plucked, as you can see. I'm very sure when you watch this video, you'd understand what I'm saying. The wig is super soft, didn't shred at all, and was very easy to brush through. I'm currently wearing the medium size cap because I was not so familiar with my head size or my wig size or my wig cap size when they sent the hair. But you can see that it still fits. So no matter how big or small your head is or your head size is, Yolissahair got you covered. Now let's get right into this video.
Just me being crazy, I'm lost. Yeah, I can't help but lose it. 'cause I know you care, know you care. Oh no, yeah, I know you care, know you care. Oh no, yeah, I know you care, know you care. Oh no, yeah, I know you care, know you care. Oh no, yeah, I know you care, know you care. I don't know where we are, baby. We've been holding on for so long. Are you counting our days now, baby? Is the vibe still there, still strong? I don't know what to say, baby. It don't feel like you wanna talk. Or is it just me being crazy? I'm lost. Yeah, I can't help but lose it. Worry about our future. You know sometimes people change, that's how it goes. Love can be confusing. Wonder how we're doing. What if we go up in flames? What if we don't? What if we don't? But I know you care when I see you stare with the same look in your eyes that you used to have when we met way back and fell in love for the first time. It's so stupid of me, foolish of me to begin to doubt you, baby. 'Cause I know you care, know you care. We've been together forever. What if good things come to an end? We always say never. What if this is our moment? Yeah, I'll lose it. Worry about our future. You know sometimes people change, that's how it goes. Love can be confusing. Wonder how we're doing. What if we go up in flames? What if we don't?
Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the first time I'm trying a wig of this color, and I love this hair so much. It's super gorgeous. Like, look at the length. This is a 24 inches, but it can pass as a 26 inches because the length is given. The length is very nice. It's true to length. Guys, let me show you the back of this hair so you'd understand what I'm saying. This is like the side. Are you seeing how long it is? And this is like the back view of this hair. I'm sure you like it. I'm sure you're in love with this hair, guys. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to click on the link down below to shop this hair and also to get further details on this wig. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.